Hey everyone, this is Bob, and I've been working on software for our BobsCNC machines, and I'm pretty excited about it. So I want to show you something that's going to work for our Revolution, which is our rotating axis. This actually has a wrapping feature in there. So I just thought I'd give you a brief tour of the software just on the wrapping function. So I'm in millimeters right now. We have a millimeters and inch button, so I'm going to say my project is 150 millimeters in diameter. And let's just say it's about 600 millimeters long. As soon as I hit tab, you'll see my cylinders there. I'm going to go ahead and hide that for now. And I'm going to go ahead and just write some text so I can show you guys how this works. So on this text, I'll just say front, because we're going to put it on the front of the cylinder. Oops, I guess I should spell it right. That would probably help. All right, so here's front. We're going to create that. And now I'm going to select this front. And if we want it on the top of our cylinder, we're going to move it right there on the center line. Now, with my back of my cylinder, I am going to have to put that on the back of it, so it's going to have to be somewhere else. So I'm going to go ahead and say, add some more text, and I'm going to say back. That's easier for me to spell. And now I'm going to take and highlight that, and I'll go ahead and move it approximately to the back. I am going to add, hopefully one day get to add some lines where it shows you exactly where the front and back would be. I'm going to guess for my diameter, it's somewhere about there. We'll see how close I get. Okay, so now I'll just go ahead and select everything to make a tool path, because this is the fun part. And I'll create just a simple tool path. I'll go ahead and just do a vector, no offset. I'm going to go ahead and select like a 1 millimeter or a 2 millimeter bit, and then we'll just go ahead and apply that, and we'll see the path is there. And now I'm going to generate Gcode. So I'm going to go ahead and generate this Gcode, and you're going to say, wow, that's really weird because it looks really messy. So I'm going to turn on my project, and then I'll go ahead and turn off those things in the back, and you can see on the front of my project it says front, and if I roll around to my back it says back. So you can see that it is going to actually write the text on the cylinder. So that's for our Revolution machine. This also works for on the XYZ machines as well. Added some new features. Make sure you pay attention. More to come. Hopefully going to be releasing this soon. Thanks, guys.